Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming two essentials: age verification and microphone access. Sign into Roblox, open settings, then privacy and safety, and toggle voice chat on so Roblox can route audio. Next, grant mic permission in your OS or browser. Without this, the feature cannot start. Once done, restart the Roblox app to apply changes. This ensures token refresh and device selection. Make sure your chosen microphone is the default input, so Roblox won't pick a muted or virtual device. Now you join a voice-enabled experience. Look for games indicating voice or spatial audio features, then enter and accept the Join Voice prompt. This authorizes your session. Once in, open the in-game voice menu to pick your microphone and speaker devices. Choosing the right devices prevents echo and dropped audio. Adjust input sensitivity and output volume so others hear you clearly without peaking. If you use push-to-talk, bind a key now. Otherwise, confirm voice activation works in a short test with a friend. To finish, verify safety settings and your presence in voice channels. Mute or block users as needed to control your environment. If audio fails, systematically check microphone hardware, update drivers, confirm Roblox has firewall and OS permissions, and ensure no other app is locking the device. Once those are checked, test voice in a different app or with a friend to isolate the issue. If problems persist, reboot the device and relaunch Roblox. Often a restart clears permission or driver conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.